Isaac Newton. A revolutionary scientist, Isaac Newton, 1643 to 1727, was an English physicist, mathematician, astronomer, and philosopher who is considered one of the most influential scientists of all time. His groundbreaking contributions laid the foundation for classical mechanics, calculus, and modern physics. Early life and education. Newton was born on January 4, 1643, in Woolsthorpe, England. He faced many challenges in his early life, including the death of his father before his birth. Raised by his grandmother, Newton displayed an early talent for science and mathematics. He studied at Trinity College, Cambridge, where he began developing his revolutionary ideas. Key contributions to science. 1. Laws of motion. Newton formulated the three fundamental laws of motion. First law, law of inertia. An object will remain at rest or in uniform motion unless acted upon by an external force. Second law, force equals mass times acceleration, F equals ma. Third law, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. These laws became the cornerstone of classical mechanics. 2. Law of universal gravitation. Newton proposed that every particle in the universe attracts every other particle with a force proportional to their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. This law explained phenomena like planetary orbits and tides, profoundly influencing astronomy. 3. Development of calculus. Newton co-developed calculus, a branch of mathematics that allows us to understand changes over time. His work on calculus revolutionized mathematics and is still widely used in science and engineering today. 4. Optics. Newton studied light and its properties, discovering that white light is composed of a spectrum of colors. He used a prism to demonstrate this, laying the groundwork for the field of optics. 5. Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica. In 1687, Newton published his seminal work, Principia, which presented his laws of motion and universal gravitation. This book is considered one of the greatest scientific works ever written. Later life and legacy. Newton served as the warden and later master of the Royal Mint, combating counterfeiting. He was also elected president of the Royal Society and knighted by Queen Anne in 1705. Despite his immense intellect, Newton was deeply religious and devoted significant time to studying theology and alchemy. Newton passed away on March 31, 1727, but his legacy endures. His theories dominated science for over 2 centuries until Einstein's theory of relativity refined our understanding of physics. Impact on the world. Newton's work paved the way for technological advancements, space exploration, and countless scientific discoveries. His ability to link mathematics with the natural world changed humanity's understanding of the universe. "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants," Newton famously said, though he himself became one of the greatest giants in the history of science.